Hi guys, Ruggero here from One Foot in the Door. And so recently I've been shooting my mini-series #Honesty for Time Productions. And I've had the chance to work with a really fantastic cast. Okay, they're really, really brilliant. And yesterday I also had some auditions for some extra characters for the series that will shoot in January. And this made me aware once again of something that I think is extremely important. It's extremely important for all actors, which is the ability to make any piece of text sound interesting. I know this sounds obvious, okay, but at the same time it sounds obvious, but some people don't really realize how important this is. A lot of actors focus a lot on emotional depth, emotional truth, or being able to tap into certain emotions and stuff, which is very, very important, guys. I'm not saying it isn't, but there is this baseline ability of just taking any piece of text, no matter how well written or poorly written it is, and make it sound interesting. That is fundamental. And guys, it is fundamental because in auditions, literally anybody who doesn't do that is off. That's it. That's literally it. That's why it's a baseline. Even though it is sometimes difficult, it can be quite difficult, in fact. Some people do this automatically. It's what we call talent. Other people learn to do it after years and years and years of practice. But I believe it is something that people should focus on kind of right away. So it should be amongst the first things you learn to do in your acting training, because everything else will lean on this. Everything else will sort of help this. Learning how to analyze your character better, how to interact with other actors and all that kind of stuff. It goes to enhance this. It goes to make it even more interesting, even more engaging. And the very important aspect of this is that it actually makes it more real. Like right now I'm just improvising, right? I haven't scripted this. I know what I want to say, but I haven't scripted every single word. So because of that, my voice is doing all sort of things that I don't even think about, but I'm using several different pitches. The speed, the rhythm, the pace is changing all the time. And I have all these different qualities in my voice that we all have when we're just talking, right? The problem is when we say lines that we aren't come up with, that lines that have been written by someone, that changes. A lot of people tend to get into a more rigid sort of delivery, and that's a problem. That is a huge problem, because you just don't sound realistic, you don't sound interesting, and that's it. Okay, you're done. So the first thing I think you need to focus on if you want to be an actor, or if you are an actor and you want to improve, is analyze your voice. How can you make your delivery of lines more interesting? Now, there are several exercises that can help you do this. And guys, this is also a big part of my online screen acting course, Unboxing Screen Acting. Link down below. You can get a free lesson. Just sign up for that down below. There are several exercises, but one thing I can say is really the number of gear changes that you do. As I said, in real life, when we're just talking, we constantly change. Our tone changes, our rhythm changes, everything. The quality of the voice even changes depending on what we're saying, right? That is sort of the key to this. And you should get to the point where you literally pick up any piece of text, no matter if it's a well-written script or the IKEA instructions on how to build a bookshelf or whatever, and you should be able to make it sound interesting. It's interesting, real, as if you're just coming up with these things as you go. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. I know it's a bit of an unusual starting place for acting, so let me know what you think, okay? And as usual, if you have any comments or questions or anything, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.